Okay. We're going to head that direction. I want to explain it for those. Get my sync up.
We're supposed to have only happiness and confidence.
Please.
I'm right now locking my
I'm not doing it on the way back.
You want a tight squeeze?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll get you a tight squeeze.
Yay.
No!
She's
the
Okay.
only one.
Yes, let's do it.
Oh, look at these two.
You go down.
They're a pair.
Guess I'm terrified.
There's at this point, there's really not too many places where you can fall. Okay, so this is really kind of safe. And as far as getting stuck or lost, that's not going to happen because I know this cave very well. If we go down this passage here, you're going to see a passage off to the left. That's a walking passage. Okay, keep that in your mind. Okay, where it is. If you keep going, you're going to climb over these big rocks. Brighten this up some. We're going to climb over these big rocks there, okay? Once you get down on the other side and go down there, there's a hole that's shaped like a triangle.
Okay.
Okay, it's a decent size. It's not really big, okay? But it's
not really
half decent.
small.
No, it's not really small. Let me bring this back down again. You have to go in on your side. Basically what it is, you have to put your feet in first, they dangle, and it's 2.5 foot drop.
Let's do
So
that one.
It's not that bad. For most of us, it's waist height. But you kind of have to hold on to the outside and wiggle yourself in till your feet are in all the way, and then you just kind of like slip down into it.
Let's do that one.
Is there a way around?
Yes.
Walking path.
There's always a way around. When you get in there, okay, there's several passages in there, all right? And you got to listen carefully as to which one you're going to do, all right? Because you have a lot of options. You get in there, and down low and to the right, as you're facing going in, there's a long crawl,
Yay.
okay? It's kind of small. You can't turn around in it until you get to the very end. And then it's big enough to turn around and come back. Okay, it's just an out and back, but not too many people do it because not too many people want to do that. But some people find it a whole lot of fun. I did it once, and I enjoyed it. But I like taking pictures of people making funny faces. That's just an entertainment section if you want to play around in the mud and go in there. Now, there's 3 other exits other than this one you're going in, okay? If you look as you're going in, there's a shelf that's about this height on me, okay? Chest height. And if you get up onto that shelf and you look up, it opens up pretty wide. It's not very high, it's about this high, but it's really wide, and it's just big rocks inside of this, on this shelf. And you can climb up there all the way to the next passage over. That's one. Number 2, if you go all the way in, and there's a rock that you can climb up, it's kind of like a slanted rock. If you climb up all the way to the top, you'll see a triangular hole. It's not big at all. It's really tiny. It's one of those, I've been in it a couple of times, and I have to totally relax my body and exhale all the way and just kind of slide in without anything, no pack, no nothing in my pockets. It's that tight. If from there it goes into a tiny little room, that's enough to seat maybe 4 or 5 people, okay? Which is fine. But if you go back all the way to the farthest back wall of that room, behind the rock, a rock that's there, you could squeeze behind it. It's about a foot or so wide, but I think it's pretty much standing passage. You squeeze behind it, and from there you'll be in the same hallway. All 3 of those go to the same place. Okay, does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay.
Can we pick one though that they're gonna do so we don't lose anybody?
Oh, we won't lose anybody.
Right.
This is why we're not gonna lose anybody.
The tiny one, they have to turn around and come back though, right, you said?
No,
Yeah,
no.
turn around and come
That's
back.
The very
for
tiny
fun.
one, once you get into the room, you'll see another hole. And you go through the hole, and then you'll be in the next passage, okay?
Tiny one.
Now, I'm gonna hang out here at this intersection here for a couple of minutes, okay? Make sure anybody who wants to go in there can go in there. If you don't wanna go in there, that's cool. We're gonna go up the passage and then down the next passage, and, we'll be able to see the rest of them coming up, and we can point and laugh at them
Okay.
as they're struggling.
So we can see them.
Yeah, and then I
I
can
thought
get.
it was like a long hallway.
No. It's walking, it's all walking passage. And that's the one that, for me, it's quick to get around, I get good pictures of you guys. I used to go inside of it to help everybody do it, but then I missed all the good shots. So, this way I get better pictures. But I'm gonna hang out here, make sure everybody gets in, okay. If you get halfway through that hole and you change your mind, it's okay, all right? Please remember, you can always change your mind no matter what. I will get you out of any situation that you're in, and you can do whatever it is that you want to do as an alternative. Because we just see, there had 2 passages that meet together from different places. We go down here, we got 2 passages that go off into different directions, but they meet the same place. Okay? And back there was a passage that went that way, those that went over that rock, and you said to the left or to the right, to the left, that passageway also meets up with them. So it's a maze, big maze. No matter where you go, there's a way around to get someplace. Okay? So no matter where you go, there's a way to move around. That's why we can spend so much time in here, playing in here. We're not really that far from the entrance. You know? Believe it or not, we've been in here over an hour. And, yeah, and we haven't really gotten that far into the cave. But this is pretty far into the cave. Once you get back and up into there, that's at one edge of the map. But I'm going to go back. I'm going to cut back in this way after I get everybody in through that triangular hole. Okay?
Okay, so I have a question, I'm
Yes,
sorry.
yes.
The triangular hole, that's for people that wanna do the smaller, more climby
Yeah.
way.
Yeah.
And when they get in there, the furthest one to the left is the one they have to belly crawl on and then go in and then come back out? Is that what you said?
Not coming back out this way.
Okay,
Because the one on the left, it's almost right away, there's a shelf on the left.
okay,
And you hop up on that, the smaller ones are gonna need a boost up to get up there, okay? And then you're gonna like belly crawl up and you're gonna be in the next hallway.
and then you have to turn around?
No,
Okay.
you're in the next hallway. I'm gonna be there.
Is anybody doing the turnaround thing?
You don't have to turn around.
No, you
The
said
original
there's like
one.
one cave you can go down, like crawl through for a while, and then it's like fun to do, and then you like turn around and come back.
Are any other girls doing that?
I know which one you're talking about, yeah. I don't know. Anybody wanna do that one?
No, okay, good. All right.
She does, so we're gonna see her the only one. so-
Okay.
Okay, so the only thing we're doing is moving forward through the cave more, but you can either
Yes.
walk or you can take the shelf.
Yes.
I'm
You can take the shelf or you can go behind the big rock at the far end of the room. Okay?
Shelf.
No, it's not as tight as that. It's about maybe open a little bit more, and come around, and then you're in the far end of the next hallway. Okay?
You wanna do the shelf, Avery? Not really.
Any questions?
Can we stop and eat for a little bit? I'm hungry.
You could have
Why
been
don't-
doing that the whole time we were sitting here.
Yeah, why don't we just wait till the next time?
Can you wait a while, and then we're gonna get to a spot where we can all sit down comfortably.
Okay.
Okay, there's a spot further into the cave where we can sit and just kind of relax and just.
What if there's a picnic table in here?
How are you gonna get it in here? You have to bring it in piece by piece and then put it together.
No, it's not down here. If we go in further, the food court's down there. It's right next to the gift shop.
I bet they
Okay?
have coffee that they made for us. and-
Yeah.
There's a gift
No,
shop.
there's
No.
not. No gift shop.
You wanna go on the shelf?
Ready to go?
You'll learn when I'm fibbing.
Is it self-explanatory when she goes in the
Yeah,
small
everything
area?
your buddy.
Yeah, there's only one way to go.
Oh, that's what I wanted to do.
Yeah, and I'll be on the other side to shine a light.
Miss Stacy and Miss Peter are doing the walk around thing. We're not crawling through anything.
Not going until he says it's okay.
Yes.
Are we gonna move?
Yeah,
I might block the entrance.
Part of our buddy system.
yeah. Stay with your buddy. If you need
guys,
to,
the four guys, you have Avery.
if you wanna change buddies,
Don't go inside anything until.
take care of each other going down the other side of this rock.
Where's the shelf?
If that gives you the heebie-jeebies, let me know and I will come down and get you down the rock.
Madeline, look.
Wait for Autumn Love, go slow, watch your feet.
Yeah, the drop is bigger than she is.
I should be up there with you, but I'm not.
Okay, hold up, hold up. You guys hold up a second. You
I'm in
guys,
front of them.
you're in front? Okay, can you spot them coming down?
You
All
got
right.
Autumn?
Thank you so much.
Do not go until I'm down. If you fall, I don't want you falling on me.
Yeah, it's slippery. Where's the what?
The shelf.
The shelf? All the way in there, through that hole.
Oh, I see the shelf.
Well, you can see the hole. When you get in there, you'll see the shelf. You'll look at it and go, oh, okay, that makes sense. Or you'll look at it and go, I ain't doing that.
It broke you, it was too much.
Autumn Love, you good? Trying to give independence, but then I can't.
It's hard.
I know.
It's so hard. It's easier for somebody else to do it. I know what you mean.
All right. Oh, thank you, love. I'm like, I try to let her be independent, and then she's good.
That's okay. That's okay. I'll get out of your way.
Wait, what's the other way we do if we don't wanna go up the
I'm
shelf?
sorry?
What's the other way we do if we don't wanna go up the shelf?
You can always go to the back and squeeze in through
Are
the
you
back.
good?
Or if you just want to walk, I'm going that way.
Okay.
Can I go with you?
Just, if you don't have to go up there, you can just, you can just climb in there. Or if you want to sit on one of these rocks, you're welcome to do that. You pick your spot until everybody's okay, okay?
Where do I go for the easier path?
The walking one? With me. Okay.
And then I can usually figure it out.
Okay.
It's like 2 minutes.
All right, I'm listening for what they're doing there. How are they doing?
Blood though, I'm very good with. I don't panic, I don't know why, I just don't. Yeah.
Take off your backpack and put it through first if you need to.
What's that?
Are you good?
Well, it's the triangles first. And then when you get in there, there's a shelf, that you kind of have to jump up onto, because it's like this height. So it's not like you have to kind of like get yourself up into it. And then once you get into it, you can crawl up. It's, the beginning is hard, because you gotta jump up, grab something and pull yourself up into it, and then you can start crawling. That makes it difficult, but if you got somebody behind you to push you, it's easier.
Are you good?
I watched clips of it on YouTube and I was like,
Do you wanna go take a look at it? You sure? Okay. Are you gonna walk with us? Okay, does anybody else wanna try the triangle?
no, nope, we're good.
You good? Okay, let's see, did they go?
Are you good?
Peace out, Mom. Hold on. But it's like the, like a true story of like a diver who like.
Who panicked?
Like a true story of like some divers who got like stuck in the ocean and like were running out of oxygen.
You okay?
And I have no idea if they got it.
All right, let's bring it back.
Who's crying?
Not Becca, I will be surprised.
Yep, it's Becca.
What happened back?
Gotcha.
Becca, you good?
You hurt yourself? Becca, no?
Just too tight? Give you the heebie-jeebies? Okay, come over here, sit
So,
down,
so,
let's
so
relax.
Becca, remember, heebie-jeebies, totally allowed. Panic and stuff wasn't allowed in here. Just remember that it's
Okay.
actually outside.
Okay,
And we're gonna walk. We're not gonna go down there anymore trying to.
okay?
You are
You
solid.
looked at it. That's
You looked
good.
at it. I thought you did.
I'm impressed. Now you and Avery can be buddies.
Yeah, this is open. This is all really open.
And all that anxiety and all that depression is outside. Happy is the only allowed thing. And PDD. Is that PDD?
Are we going down that way?
We're going back this way, okay?
Are y'all good down that way then? Alright, wait, hold on.
I got that. I forgot to
Oh,
put
this one's
mine.
like really wide.
Yeah,
like
this
that
is the easy way. It's just, it gets a little slippery, but that's okay. You just keep your 3 points of contact and you're all good. Somebody call me?
Alan,
Yes,
you gotta stop.
what's up?
We need your help.
All right. Just,
Don't panic, we're coming back.
I'm coming. I'm coming as fast as I.
Alan knows how to get it together.
Who's coming?
I'm just trying to get out of the way so you can get down. She's stuck.
Oh, okay, hold on. You gotta just do that. Okay, relax. Okay. I'm gonna help you out. Get through it, okay? You want to keep going through?
Whichever way is easier. Are you good? I slid under, like,
Yeah,
and I said, I hurt.
yeah. Okay, see, this is wider up here. Okay? Hold, grab up here and pull yourself up. And you can lean on me. Lean on my, put your hand on my shoulder and push up.